you want to. Listen up. Away they go around this first corner. Clifford getting round. Oh, poor old, come on Marshall. Poor old Johnson there. Gets tapped. Right, so all cars are racing and away. To me, that looks like Clifford in the lead from Woods, from Kerry.
Fastest lap car 3, fastest lap car 5, fastest lap car 2.
Boots in fourth. So let's keep it clean. I'm going to keep a close eye on use. Oh, in the air collision. So Woods got caught in the air. Boots getting marshalled.
1 minute into the race. First place car 3, second place car 1, third place car 7, fourth place car 2, and in fifth place car 4.
It's like Clifford off the pace.
Car 7.
So it could be Richard. Richard leading, Kerry, Johnson, Gray up into fourth. Keep it clean, guys. So it looks like Boots is pursuit on Gray, the fourth place driver. Rolling over each other. Dead corner straight on the inside. Gray letting Boots go through. So Richard leading, coming round in front of Race Control and then in front of the rostrum. So it is Richard, quickly followed by Kerry. Kerry backing off. So as they go down the straight, Richard touched the sides. So this battle going on between first and second, between Richard and Kerry. Johnson up there in third. Johnson broken by the looks of it. So puts Clifford up there.
Car 6.
Keep it clean, you guys, coming round in front of the rostrum. Clean overtaking.
Change of leader to car 2.
Keep it clean, Boots, please. So Clifford making a mistake. So Clifford loses his third place, I think that was. So it's all changed. Kerry, Gasson, could be Church now. There's a bit of a mayhem going on the tabletop. Come on, guys, sort it out. So it's Kerry, Woods, Clifford. So Ed Kerry, your race leader, just coming down the straight.
First place, car 2. Second place, car 5. Third place, car 3. Fourth place, car 9. And in fifth place, car 7.
Followed by Woods, then Clifford, then Jessup. About a minute and a half to go. So Kerry in front of Race Control, round onto the slippery. Over the jump and in front of the rostrum. Minute 30 to go. Kerry, Woods, Clifford, Jessup, Gasson, Church, Tapsell. Dead car on the tabletop on the inside.
First place, car 2. Second place, car 7 about to be lapped. Car 5. Third place, car 3. Fourth place, car 6. And in fifth place, car 7. Fastest lap, car 2.
Race leader coming around, guys, on the tabletop.
Car 3 about to be lapped. Car 8 about to be lapped.
30 seconds to go. 5 seconds, so Woods is going to get across the line. So this is it, gentlemen. This is your last lap.
7's finished. 2's
So
finished.
Richard Gasson gets third, Kerry
10's
first,
finished.
Woods
3's finished.
second,
6's finished.
Taxell fourth, Clifford, Gray, Church,
5's
Jessup,
finished. 8's
Boots
finished.
and Johnson. I'll just wait for the wobble, please, gentlemen. Marshals, just wait for the wobble. Rich.
Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place car 2, second place
Ben Woods,
third place
Richard Gasson,
fourth place
Paul Tapsell,
fifth place
James Clifford,
sixth place
John Gray,
seventh place
Mr. Church,
eighth place car 9, ninth place
Richmond Rogers,
and in 10th place
Will Johnson.